Hello everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. We're going to take a quick look at the Crkt Delineation. It's designed by Ochs in Sherwood, Oregon. What we got here is a blade length of 2.94 inches or 74.63 millimeters. It has a plain edge on the blade with a hollow grind and a stainless steel HCR13 mauve. A satin finish, also on the handle. The thickness of the blade is a 0.12 inches or 3.15 millimeters. The overall length of the knife is 6.81 inches, 173.5 millimeters, and closed length right here is 3.89 inches or 98.81 millimeters. The weight of the knife, 3.80 ounces or 107.73 grams. The stainless steel handle, as you can see, with the frame lock and a nice sturdy pocket clip, some blue pivot pins here, brass inserts, so the opening is nice and quick and snappy with the assist opening. Gotta like that. A little flipper on the back to fly it open here. That's all you use. And the fit and finish of the knife is really well. Used it extensively. You can see inside here the little blue pins. There's 4 of them with this support pin here for the stop for the knife stop, and then the brass inserts. It's a very nice looking knife, sleek, pops open like real zip to it there. It's very sleek, slender with a little bit of a choil here, and yeah, you should be able to get in there no problem to sharpen that little baby. And they make a quality knife. It's a very well made knife. You also have a small hole here for the lanyard if you so desire. The pocket clip is not reversible, and this would be a tip up carry, and that's all there is. But I seen it advertised for, I believe, 48 American dollars. I could be wrong, that might have been Canadian. You'll have to check that out. The spine is pretty sharp, and it just flies right open. It's really well made. I like it. Nice looking knife. I would say overall affordable. This is Doug from Darkwater North saying thanks for watching and have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.